So this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Nana Sharma and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110979 whose name is Saloni, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is this your full name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How may I call you?
I'm feel very glad when you called me with my first name Saloni.
Okay, Saloni. Let's talk about your hometown or village. Okay.
Okay.
What kind of place it is?
Basically, I live in Baddi in Himachal Pradesh. It is the northwest part of country, and it is located in Himachal Pradesh. It is it is totally hilly area. On the houses, on the nearby the houses, all covered with trees.
Okay. What's the most interesting part of your town or village?
It is famous for tourism because it is totally hilly area. So many people come there for tourism. Not only Indian people, foreign people also come there. And one of the famous thing is that it is very coldest place.
Okay. What kind of jobs do people in your hometown do?
In my hometown, most of the people are interested in management job like related business. They interested in banking and CA line.
Okay. Would you say it's good place to live?
Yes, according to me, it is very good place because most of the people like coldest area, and it is very good area. All the facilities are available there.
Okay. So let's talk about tiredness. Okay. What kind of things make you tired?
When someone, when on my opinion, when I come back at my home after my schooling, then I am very feel tired because all the time I am busy in my study, and I feel very stressed. So when someone after that any one person talk with me when that time, then I feel very tired and irritated.
What do you do when you feel tired?
When I feel tired, I always watch some comedy movies, and I go for sleeping.
Whom do you usually talk to when you feel mentally tired?
When I am mentally tired, I always talk with my mother because all my problems and happiness share with my mother.
Who do you like to talk to strangers when you feel mentally tired?
Could you repeat this question, please?
Do you like to talk to strangers when you feel mentally tired?
No, I don't. I am not comfortable when I talk with unknown person because we don't know about anything about the unknown person.
Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Now part 2. Here is the card and with questions. You have 1 minute to plan your ideas. After that you have to speak for 2 minutes. Here is a notepad and a pencil if you want to use. Go ahead.
So, talk about in my daily basis. I always read newspaper for 10 minutes in morning time. But today I would like to talk about article I read about the health. It is very interesting article, and this article I read last Sunday on a newspaper. And the newspaper name is the Tribune. This newspaper is very useful because they give me many knowledge and information about our nation. So when I read all the newspaper, then I read one article related health disease. In this article, many information are available about all, and these are information all about the youngsters. In this article they say about youngsters health, because in this modern era most of the youngsters like to eat outside food, like restaurant food, Chinese foods. So the on at the end of this article, they give me some information about that. Don't eat the fast food on daily basis. You eat this packaging food. In little bit, because it is not good for our health, not good for our health. And many of the youngsters see many problems because they eat these food, like they face problem related diabetes, and they
I will now stop you because your time is up. Okay. So may I have the question? Thank you so much. So now I will ask you some more questions, the follow-up questions of this. What are the most popular ways of keeping healthy in your country?
In my country, most of the healthy food is a homemade food, because it is very good for our health, because the homemade food all cooked by with green vegetables.
Okay. Do you think most people worry more about their health as they get older?
Yes, many people are very tensed about their health, because when they eat outside food on daily basis, then they face many problems related diseases.
Why do you think some people continue bad habits when they know that they are damaging to their health?
I think people do that. That's why, because all the youngsters are like to eat outside foods, because outside food is very spicy and tasty. They do not like homemade foods. And when they go for parties and any occasion, then they eat many more.
Okay. How can children be encouraged to adopt healthy eating habits?
According to me, when parents are take some strict rules for their children to eat only homemade food, then they do not eat outside food, and parents cook some new dishes with green vegetables. Then also children are encouraged to eat healthy food.
Do you think people have become more health conscious in recent years?
Yes, in this time, most of the people face many problems related to their health, because both genders are busy on their work, because both parents are working, so they have no time to cook homemade foods, so they always prefer to eat outside foods.
Okay. It's done with your speaking test. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wealth.